Good afternoon, folks. Andrew Schartenberg here, your mortgage engineer, with your daily rate report. Today is Wednesday, December 29th, and I'm going to be telling you about interest rates and give you a home buyer tip of the day. Try and keep this short. My inaugural post yesterday went on quite some time, 13 minutes. Going to try and keep this to 3 or so going forward here every day, guys, so I don't bore you to tears. Again, if you have specific questions, thoughts, anything like that, you'll be able to contact me, which I'll provide the info at the end of the post. So getting into it, today we have rates of, on the conventional side of things, which means Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, those rates are holding steady at 4.875%. We did see them creep up this morning due to some activity yesterday in the bond market. But today in the afternoon, they're back to about 4.875% for a traditional 30-year fixed mortgage, good credit scores, 20% down, vanilla scenario. On the FHA and VA side of things, so the government loans that are out there, a big market segment today, guys, we are at 4.75%. Those did not really change at all today. If anything, I see them holding pretty steady for the moment. If we're going to see relief in rates, probably going to be next year, mid-January, early February, as we see poor economic reports come out. That being said, why are rates doing what they are today? First of all, this is a light trading week in the bond market, and the bond market is really what affects interest rates. It's a light trading week due to a lot of people taking vacations, the holidays, etc. So what happens is when economic data comes out, it can greatly affect mortgage rates because there's not much going on, so it makes the market more volatile. Today we saw this afternoon a better than expected demand on the 7-year Treasury note auction, so I expect that we may even see improved mortgage pricing this afternoon or tomorrow. I don't know that it will necessarily affect interest rates, but it may help you on your closing costs when you're talking to your brokers and your bankers out there, folks. And next we're going to have jobless claims coming out tomorrow. Shouldn't have too big an effect, but it's greatly different than expected, then it very well may. So those are rates. Now the home buyer tip of the day. This is important for buyers, sellers, real estate agents. More and more we're seeing big problems with appraisals out there. It's tough. There's a lot of foreclosures. There's a lot of short sales. What this boils down to is a lot of people, when you're even buying a house, when you're refinancing a house, your appraised value is not coming in where you expected it to be, which is really hurting people's ability to get mortgage financing. So my tip of the day for all of you folks out there, especially when you're buying a house, the real estate agent that priced that house will have done a comparable market analysis to come up with a price to put it on the market at. That may or may not be where the house is selling at, but when the appraiser comes to the house, guys, real estate agents, buyers, tell your real estate agents, suggest to them that you provide your logic for how you came up with that market value. If you make their job easier, it's just going to help you when you're trying to get the appraised value to come in where you need to be. So that's the tip of the day. Folks, if you need to contact me, you can go to my blog anytime, andrewschartenberg.blogspot.com. You can reach me on the cell phone anytime, 401-742-7011, or you can email anytime, andrew@otfunding.com. That's all for today, folks. I'll be back tomorrow with your rate report. Adios and good night.